I was calling my mother, letting her know like, yo, I don't know what is going on with your family, but grandma wants to give me a bot. She's even gonna give Jurella a bot. Jurella, who is a grown-up. What is going on? You need to call grandma and tell her that I'm not taking that bot. You always told me that nobody was supposed to see me naked. As a 14-year-old hitting puberty, I was like, absolutely not. Jurella was my cousin. She was telling me like, yeah, and she is going to like make sure that you're really, really clean. I'm like, what does that even mean? What does that even mean? You are baiting who? I don't think so. Hi amiga, welcome back to another glow up video. It is literally Monday right now and it is the week of Christmas. Christmas is gonna be this weekend and I'm just not looking or feeling too hot. To me, those two go together. I feel my best when I look my best. So I feel like I'm ready to glow up for this week. I have a whole lot of events going on this week, so I want to look my best for those. If this video reaches you before New Year's Eve, then I hope some of this can be some input to your own routine, your own glow up routine. And I want to thank today's sponsor, and that is Ana Luisa. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this part of the video. This is my 4th year working with Ana Luisa, and that is just because I love them. I genuinely love them. They are carbon neutral, they are sustainable, they are gender neutral when it comes to designs and also to their work ethics within the business. They stand for diversity, and what I also love is that they're very inclusive. They have pieces starting from $39 ranging up to higher end pieces. So there is something for everyone. I'm going to share with you everything that I chose this time around, but everything that I have on is from Ana Luisa right now. These are my favorite bracelets. They are from, I think, 2 years ago, and they are in perfect condition. Like, look, never changed color, no discoloration whatsoever. Really, really beautiful, and I always get compliments on these. Love that. Then these necklaces are one of my first ever necklaces that I ever got from them, and as you can see, they are a favorite because I wear them a lot and they still look brand new. I'm gonna share with you what I got this time around. I got these Paris earrings. They are a twisted hoop look. I owned these before, but I lost them in Curacao when I went swimming in the sea, and I couldn't find it anywhere and I was devastated. So I decided to get them again, and I am happy about it. And because I love them so much, I also decided to go for a smaller size. So it's the same look, but just smaller. Sometimes I like these for the office or something like that. Then I got another pair of earrings. These are the Scarlet earrings. They are a double hoop look, but it's just one earring, and I really like how dainty and pretty it is. And it's gonna go so well with any look, whether that's like a glam look or a soft look, whatever. It will look really, really pretty. And the last thing I got this time around is the Saya necklace. And this is a very, very pretty dainty necklace that will go very well by itself or as part of a layered look. So yeah, those are my items that I got this time around. Another thing that I like about Ana Luisa is that all the jewelry comes in these pouches. They are amazing for when you're traveling because it makes sure that all your jewelry doesn't get tangled up. I don't know if I already said this, but they ship worldwide and they have a 365 days warranty policy. So that means if there's something that you bought and you're not completely satisfied, you can just return it, no questions asked. No hassle, no anything. So I love that about Ana Luisa. They have their biggest sale of the year running now. It's their end of the year sale. I have a link in my description box. It will be all the way up to the top, the first link. And when you click on it, it will direct you directly to the sales. So thank you, Ana Luisa, so much for sponsoring this part of the video. I am super grateful for you, and thank you so much again for believing in me and working with me. Now back to the video. Let's glow up together. I'm gonna also, like, here and there give you some updates about my life, how life has been lately, and all of that. I've been getting some questions, so I might answer those as well during this video. So yeah, let's have a good time. Grab a snack, grab a notebook to write down all the products and whatnot. And let's go ahead and get into this video, amiga. That shower is basically just a relaxing shower. I like to go in with room spray, a candle, music. I like to deep condition my hair. I like to shave, exfoliate, do all of that good stuff, and basically just carry out all my pampering. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite day of the week is to do this, and what is your favorite part of your that shower. After the shower, I just follow up with drying my hair in a microfiber towel and wrapping my body in a towel, and also oral hygiene. Yeah, we have a quick cooking intervention. We quickly have to make dinner because, as you know, I have diabetes and it's really important for me to eat in time. We're making mashed baked potatoes that I've been seeing on TikTok, Instagram, literally everywhere. So I thought I would put them to the test, try to make them myself. And we're gonna pick up back on the whole glow up routine in a little bit, but this is important too, you know? Eating is also part of a glow up, and especially healthy eating. Yes, girl. Let's quickly make dinner. Alright, amiga, we are back after a dinner and movie break. I am now gonna dye my hair. For that, I'm gonna be using the Dark and Lovely Fade and Resist in Jet Black. I'm gonna be mixing that up to dye my hair now. I need to mix that up so that it develops and we can put it in my hair. I'm now waiting for this to develop, and while I was like shaking the bottle and everything, I remembered a little story more than 10 years ago. I used to relax my hair, and I remember there was this disco. I used to live in Amsterdam, by the way, and there was this disco, and it was in Hoofddorp, which is near Schiphol Airport. And there was a friend of mine from school. She invited me to go to Challenge. And since I'm such a small town girl, I come from a very small town, I'm not used to those type of things. And my mom used to be so strict. So I never went to Challenge before, and I didn't want to pass up on the opportunity to go. And of course, I wanted to look my best. So I came from school, decided to, you know, touch up my hair with some relaxer and hair dye. All of that to look good, you know? I'm in my bathroom doing my hair and my phone rings. I'm so excited for the party, so I make sure that I pick up to know if it's my friend Helen, you know, that I'm supposed to go with. I'm like, maybe there are updates or something on the plan. So what do you know, sis? What do you know? My hair was just dangling around my face. And as I like make this movement to pick up that phone, relaxer goes into my eye. And if you know, you know, relaxer hurts pretty bad on the scalp. What do you think is gonna happen if that stuff touches your eye? So I was rinsing it like crazy, and I just didn't want to cancel on the party. So I was just like, no, this cannot stop the party. I was rinsing my eye. And then I got ready, I did all this stuff, but I think like it didn't got rinsed out properly. So eventually we made it all the way to Challenge. And when I was there, I was in the line to get into the club, and my eye was just burning. I felt like I was gonna lose my vision. So eventually we had to turn our way around and go to the hospital to get it figured out. And then eventually, after that whole shit happened, my eye became sensitive to light for at least 4 weeks or something, a whole month. It was really bad. It was just such a pain. And I used to date this guy that used to play in a band. He was a singer in a band, you know. And then I couldn't like go to any of his performances for 4 weeks because my eye was just acting up. He was like, I hope your eye recovers, blah blah blah. But I had to like walk around with my eye band-aided in a bandage, you know, like they covered it up. And then yeah, it took like 4 weeks for that to recover. I'm not really good at multitasking, like talking and doing something at the same time, so I don't know about this. Let me quickly finish applying this, because we definitely do not want that situation again, you know, where I get dye or other chemical shit in my eye. Ever since I got diagnosed with diabetes, I just switched over to henna, just because that's more natural. And I'm like, yeah, I'm already losing hair, let me just not add like chemical shit to my head, you know. So that's the whole reason why. But I used to use this before and it used to work pretty well for me, so yeah, using it again since I had a bottle of this on the house, you know. I'm back in my robe. Hair has been dyed and washed. I'm all done with that now. I am now gonna dermaplane it's called, I think. Anyways, I'm gonna shave my face, take off all the beach fuzz. That will help my makeup go on like smoothly tomorrow. And I'm here for it. So I'm going to do that now. For that, I'm gonna be using some face wash. I wanna make sure that this thing has something to glide on. Glide all over my face. This is just the area where I have most beach fuzz, so I know a lot of people wonder whether your hair will start growing even stronger in those areas, and the answer is no, that's just not gonna happen. See that? Like, see? That's so satisfying. Look at that. Haha. You want to be careful when doing this to not cut yourself, but I love doing this because it just helps the makeup application go on like so much easier and so much better. I love it. So for tonight, I'm just gonna let my face rest. I'm not gonna do anything else to it because I just don't want to irritate it. Tomorrow morning I will do like a little mask and stuff before I do my makeup. Anyways, I'm now gonna use my night cream. This is the L'Oreal Hydra Active 3, and this is the night edition from this cream. I am absolutely obsessed with this cream. It works for me, and it's just really good. I love it, and it really makes my face feel super moisturized in the morning, so I like that about this. I just noticed that it works better for me to not do too much to my skin after I shave it, you know. So do you see that? Like, I had my window open and now it's so cold in my room. Like, what? Am I sleeping in a freezer? Winter things, guys. Anyways, that is it for the little skincare for tonight. I'm also gonna pluck my eyebrows because I wanna like do my makeup tomorrow morning, and I think it just looks better when my eyebrows are done too. The only thing that I still want to do is use some of my benzo cream. I'm gonna use that on some little breakouts that I have going on because I do not want those, you know. Here I have one, so applying that. You want to make sure that your skin is also not damaged when you apply it to it. Is this damaged? Is this open? Is this an open wound? I hope not. Okay, let me go get my gear to do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Right, Amia, it's time to pluck my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I always like to just fill them in as I would do normally. I just like to line the bottom part of my eyebrow how I would do it as if I'm like filling in my eyebrows, and then I pluck everything underneath the line that isn't in the line, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, shame on me, I haven't done my eyebrows in forever. I think that is how I like it. Now everything that isn't in the line, I don't think you can really see it, but everything that is out of the line, I'm just gonna pluck. Alright amiga, I finished doing my eyebrows. This is what they look like, but you will see it a little bit better tomorrow when I'm actually gonna do my makeup and all that. Right now I'm just gonna apply some of my body lotion, and then after that putting on some PJs and just relax, and then we will pick up back on this vlog tomorrow. So the next day I like to use my Indian healing clay, and for this I just mix it up with equal parts of apple cider vinegar, and then I just apply this to my face with a makeup brush, and I like to leave this onto my face for 20 minutes until the mask gets hard, and then I just wash it up and follow up with a sheet mask. I like these and they really help with extra moisture. For my feet, I think this is really important, but I hate the fact that pedicures are so expensive. So I like to do these at home. They work perfectly fine. Clip my nails afterwards and file my calluses down with like a foot file. Always works. And there's no reason for this to be so expensive as it is in salons. For my hair, I like to prep my hair for my headband wig. For this, I use a little bit of cheese silk infusion to make my hair super soft and also to protect my hair from the heat. I like to go in with some scalp oil that I make myself. And then I just love my headband wigs in combination with a pretty headband. Alright amiga, we have reached the part where I'm going to do my makeup. I think this part is very crucial in this whole thing because this is the part where I'm actually gonna feel and look more pretty. I already feel pretty though, but you get what I'm trying to say, right? For my hair, I just blown out my own hair underneath my headband wig, and I've just been loving headband wigs, especially now that it's colder weather, because they just are easy, you know. I love the look of it because they look pretty. It also protects my hair underneath it. By the way, all the products that I'm using are gonna be in the description box down below. And I'm gonna try to do something a little bit different with my eyes today because I don't want to do like the same look that I've been doing every single day. Yeah, so diabetes. I have been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Last week, I went to the doctor, or I went to my dietist, and my doctor ended up coming into my appointment and she gave me my diagnosis already. So that is great that I know now what is going on. I'm really happy to know what I have, like which type of diabetes. Other than that, I've been doing really well. My sugar levels are in balance now. The only thing that I still need to work on is my weight. It's been a few months now and I had some time to adjust. I received like some interesting comments, I would say, because some people told me that they thought it was really interesting that it seemed to them that in one video I was crying and then the next video I was like very positive and brighter in spirit. If you find out that you have like something like diabetes, or it can be anything else, you should give yourself the time to grieve and to process whatever it is that is going on with you. I'm not really a person who can dwell on things for too long. So yeah, if that seems like that, then yeah, that's the person that I am. But also keep in mind that videos don't present a actual timeline of things. There has been time between those two videos, if you get what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I feel like I'm at the point now where I just really have learned how to deal with this condition, because that's basically what it is to me. It's just a condition. I'm still the same person. It's just I need to take care of a few things. I need to keep certain things in mind now. And that's the only thing, you know. Other than that, I feel like I'm still the same person. Nothing has really changed when it comes to that for me. So yeah, I feel great. I'm happy that I managed that. And also, like, when I just heard it, you have to keep in mind that like my dad was someone who had diabetes, and he ended up like losing both his legs. They were amputated, and he eventually died because of his condition. And that was just because he didn't want to accept his diagnosis. But when I heard that I had this, that is the first thing that I thought about. I thought that was going to be my fate as well. And of course, it can happen. It can happen if I also decide to not stick to anything that they tell me in the hospital. Then yeah, that can also be my fate. I try to approach it with a positive mind. Everyone in my family is super supportive. My mom, my stepdad, sister, boyfriend, everyone is super supportive. Even at work, everyone knows and everyone is always trying to help me with this. And I am super, super grateful because I know that not everybody has that. So yeah, thank you to everyone in my life and for everyone who is even asking me like, how are you and things like that. I really, really appreciate it. And it means more than you know. Now, let's talk a little bit about Christmas because Christmas is literally this week. My sister is coming on the second day of Christmas. Like, I don't know if there are more countries around the world. I know Curacao does it, but there aren't like a lot of countries in the world that also celebrate the 26th. For Christmas Eve, which is gonna be Saturday, Benny and I are planning on doing like maybe a Christmas market. On the 25th, I'm probably just gonna rest and relax, maybe prepare some food for the 26th. We're planning on going maybe to a Christmas market. We'll see whatever comes up that we can do. Worst case scenario, we can also rest and just watch movies. I have been loving like all the Netflix corny movies. I've been loving those and I have been having a great time watching all of those. So that is Christmas. Let me talk to you a little bit about like the makeup items that I've been loving this year. First one is this one. It is the L'Oreal True Match face powder. It's the super blendable perfecting powder, and I like this one for contouring. This is really, really, really one of my favorites. Another one that I've been really loving, and I definitely want to get a new one, is the Huda Beauty setting powder. I'm in the shade Blondie, and I use that to set under my eyes and everywhere where I want like more of a highlighted look. The putty primer from ELF. This is 10 euros at Douglas. Been loving this. It's just making your whole makeup look so flawless on top. Like, it could be of course everything that I've done yesterday, like the Dermaplanning and all that, and the mask that I did this morning, but in general this is just the best makeup primer ever. The Fenty Beauty foundation. This is the Pro Filter one, and I'm in 370. And I also love this one from Huda Beauty. It's in the shade Gingerbread, and it is their Faux Filter foundation. Love those. For concealer, I like this one from Fenty Beauty. It is like similar to this bottle. It's like this little combination. And this one is also the Pro Filter concealer, and I'm in the shade 350. This, oh my god, this product, I bought it in London from NYX. It is their Sweet Cheeks liquid blush cream, I would say, and it has like an applicator like this. Absolutely amazing. I love this. This is also something that I really started using this year and that I'm obsessed with. Other than that, I feel like it's just my same stuff that I use every year, and I don't change up my makeup products that much because makeup is something that is so expensive, and or it can be, and especially as a woman of color, I feel like makeup is not cheap if you want like good makeup. And also the journey to find the correct stuff is just long, and I just don't feel like changing that up too much anymore. This has definitely been my favorite eyeshadow palette for the last 4 years. Yeah, it has everything that you could need, you know? Yeah, that's my favorite products. I haven't really spoken about what I'm gonna do for New Year's Eve because I spoke about Christmas, but I didn't really speak about what I'm gonna do for New Year's Eve. Well, that is really simple. I'm going to like do another one of these glow ups. We have this thing in Curacao where we take a wasi. No, that's Suriname. That says wasi. We don't say wasi. But we do this thing where we take like a very good shower just to welcome the new year and to feel fresh and clean. Oh my god, I have a little story time on that. So When I was growing up, my mother would always tell me that nobody except for her was supposed to see me naked. And that was just to make sure that I'm always safe, you know, and to just like, I don't think it's wrong to have like those conversations with your child and teach them like, yo, only mommy is supposed to see your intimate parts, and make sure that nobody sees you naked. Always make sure to put your underwear away. Never let anyone see your underwear. Things like that, you know, like basic talk. Well, I was a very prude kid, and I am a curvy woman. I started having boobies and stuff like at a very young age, around, no, I think it's normal. Around 12, I already have like some boobie itch going on, you know? So I went on vacation, and my cousin was telling me like, yeah, this afternoon, because it was I think like it was almost the end of the year. It's a tradition around here for grandma to give you a bath in the backyard. And I was like, ah! Grandma is giving who a bath? I was like, absolutely not. Like, what the fuck is happening around here? What is happening around here? Nobody is gonna give me a bath, okay? I'm 14 years old, absolutely not. No way, in no way, shape, or form am I gonna allow this. So I was just making a fuss out of it. I was calling my mother, letting her know like, yo, I don't know what is going on with your family, but grandma wants to give me a bath. She's even gonna give Jurella a bath. Jurella, who is a grown-up. What is going on? You need to call grandma and tell her that I'm not taking that bath. And my mom was laughing, and she was like, yeah, but it's okay. But you needed to inform me about the double standard, you know, because you always told me that nobody was supposed to see me naked. So why is it all of a sudden it's okay now? And I do get like my grandma, she got my mom, she, you know, even changed my diaper as a baby, all of that. But as a 14-year-old hitting puberty, I was like, absolutely not. Nobody is gonna give me a bath. And then Shurella was my cousin. She was telling me like, yeah, and she is going to like make sure that you're really, really clean. I'm like, what does that even mean? What does that even mean? I was like, no, I'm not down with these traditions. Absolutely not. And amiga, I'm telling you, I put up a fight. I was like, no, I'm not doing this. And then later I was telling grandma like, I'm really, really sorry, grandma. I'm really sorry. But you are not gonna see me naked. You are not gonna give me a bath. And you know what my grandma said? She said like, okay, then you're not taking a bath. My grandma just literally said, empapiamento. Translated, then you don't take the bath, then you shower yourself, bath yourself, my child. It's fine, it's fine. And I was like, oh my God, and that will forever stick with me. It will forever stick with me. But my mom didn't prepare me well. You know, she should have told me that they were doing that, because if they, maybe I would have been more prepared and maybe I would have done it. I don't know. I don't know. But at the moment I was like, you are baiting who? I don't think so. You're not gonna see my titties, grandma. Oh my God, what? What is this video? Oh, see, you see this, amiga? You see how this looks. Tell me that doesn't look good. Oh my God. Right now they're calling the like super blushy look the I'm cold look or whatever. I don't know. These kids these days, they come up with all type of stuff for things that already existed. I don't know. By the way, this video is gonna be so difficult to edit because what am I doing? By the way, yes, I'm having a Red Bull. It's a sugar-free Red Bull, okay? I still have these occasionally, not as crazy and as much as I used to, but this is a sugar-free one. My diet is set that I can have these. You need some extra energy for videos when you're filming them, you know? Yeah, one wing is already higher than the other one. Oh, this is annoying. Yeah, the wings are going in different directions, which is really annoying. I really wanted this look. That's annoying. Yeah, it's not going quite like I wanted it to go. I knew this was gonna be a shit show. what am I gonna do about this? Like, what am I gonna do about this? This one is perfect, but this one, not so much. Okay, I ended up wiping it off and just starting over because that shit was just not savable. Another thing that is new for me, like this year is like the first year that I barely even wore fake eyelashes. That is really something that I grew out of. I still like them every now and then, but I haven't like really worn them in a very long time. It's just easier on their eyes. My eyes don't feel as heavy. I don't know, simplistic, more simplistic. And I like it. Anyways, this is the eye look, I think. What do you think? I think I like it, you know? Oh my god, this video is becoming very long, I think. I think I'm just gonna finish up. This is my makeup. I am obsessed with it. It's so pretty. I feel so pretty right now. So I think I'm gonna change into my Christmas outfit and share that with you, how that looks. And then we can put on some jewelry together, maybe also some perfume. I want you to see like what I am gonna wear for Christmas. But let me know what you thought about this section of the video, like a little makeup, get ready with me, and an update on my life and everything. I really enjoyed talking and just doing my makeup in the meantime. So yeah, let me know if you want to see these type of videos more often, maybe like once a month. Maybe y'all can send me topics to talk about, like questions. It can be whatever. But yeah, I am now gonna change and I'll see you in a second. Okay, amiga, I am all ready. This is my outfit that I will be wearing on Christmas. And my makeup is also gonna be similar. You can even wear this top, or this is actually a dress. I'm wearing it as a top. This whole outfit is H&M actually. And you can find like similar things everywhere, but I love like the little tulle, the strapless look. I really think it looks really festive, really pretty. Perfect for New Year's Eve or Christmas, whatever you want. Wear it as a dress also, depending on where you live. It's gonna be fine. For jewelry, I decided to do these earrings. I had these before and I lost them in Curacao. I went swimming and forgot to take them off, and then I lost like one side and I was devastated about it. So I'm happy that I have these again. And I also now have like a smaller size from the Paris earrings, but it's this twisty hoop that I am obsessed with. I'm wearing this little necklace with like, it's kind of a clover and I love it. And then this bracelet that I have from a previous collab, but still looks brand new, perfect. Their link will be in the description box all the way up to the top. So make sure to click that and check them out. So thank you once again, Anna Luisa, for sponsoring this video. It means the world to me. If you want to support a sustainable business, but at the same time, not like giving up on your fashion pieces, Anna Luisa is the place to go. But yeah, amiga, that is it for me for this video. I'm gonna go now and get my nails done. I currently have this red color and I think I'm gonna go do something similar, but I will pick up on that for another video that I'm also filming right now. So yeah, stay on the look for that. Happy holidays. I love you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what else you want to see in the new year, and thank you for all your support overall. It means more than you know. But anyways, love you, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye.